So we've got a 2018 Ford Raptor. This is the extended cab version with the suicide doors. We've got flip up light bar on the top, custom. We've got the beautiful Rhino ram bar, custom fog light inserts, and that's just the start. As you can see, suicide doors. Got Alcon big brake kit, both front and back. We've got the front leveling kit on the Fox shocks, custom ADD tie rods, as you can see here. Got the fog light inserts, those also double as blinkers. Big brake kit on the back. Ooh, that's that Borla Exhaust. Ooh, it's loud and nice. And then in the back we've got the Deaver leafs, as well as the drop shackles. And then this is all sitting on 20-inch Venom wheels, of which we've actually got 5. There's a full set including the spare, and 35-inch by 12.5-inch general grabber tires. There's the light bar flipping up. And what a beautiful truck this is. Just 36,000 kilometers, one owner, that's me. All the mods done by yours truly, and all the original parts are still available and will come with it. What a truck.